टोयोटा फॉर्च्यूनर ये इटसेल्फ में एक ब्रांड है। जब फॉर्च्यूनर 2009 में लॉन्च की थी, सिंस देन देयर हैज बीन नो लुकिंग बैक। ये एसयूवी ने 75% मार्केट शेयर कैप्चर किया है। व्हिच एसयूवी कैन डू दैट? पर अब रिसेंटली काफी सारे ब्रांड्स नई एसयूवीज ला रहे हैं एंड द फॉर्च्यूनर स्टार्टेड टू लुक ओल्ड। फॉर दिस टोयोटा हैज एन आंसर। इट्स द न्यू जनरेशन फॉर्च्यूनर। Should you consider buying it? Is it worth your money? We tell you in this episode. नई फॉर्च्यूनर की एक्सटीरियर स्टाइलिंग काफी एग्रेसिव है। अगर आप इसका फ्रंट ग्रिल देखोगे, then it is very well chiseled. The headlamps are sleek and it gets bi-beam LEDs. यहाँ तक कि the fog lamp contour is very stylish and appealing. Side profile is formed with the 3 lines that run across the profile. 17-inch wheels आते हैं on the 4x2 and the 4x4 gets 18-inch. Now, if you look at the rear, the tail lamps are again sleek and stylish and there's an integrated spoiler too at the back. नई फॉर्च्यूनर जितनी स्टाइलिश बाहर से लगती है उतनी अपीलिंग अंदर भी है। Now, this is a 7-seater with 3 rows. जब तीनों rows raised हैं, that time you do not have much space in the boot. However, you have the option to fold the seats. Now, another aspect is it gets electric tailgate. Third row में space is a bit tight for tall people. There's decent enough headroom for somebody like me who's almost 6 feet. Second row काफी spacious है and it's pretty much comfortable there. Third row में you have AC vents on the top and even for the second row you get roof mounted AC vents. Front is where most comfort is available. Seats supportive hai and they are very comfortable for long journeys. Talking about the dashboard, it's very neatly integrated. एक touchscreen system है which I feel is small for the size of this car. Dashboard पे leather दिया गया है which actually makes it plush and premium. Toyota Fortuner में 2 इंजन आते हैं। एक है 2.7 लीटर पेट्रोल, सेकंड है 2.8 लीटर डीजल। In terms of performance, डीजल काफी सुपीरियर है। However, the petrol is more of a cruiser. अगर आपको सिटी में comfortably चलाना है और you want to cruise on the highway, the petrol is a very good engine to opt for. In terms of performance, diesel is definitely far more superior. जो petrol है वो 5-speed manual आती है and 6-speed automatic के साथ available है, लेकिन petrol only comes with a 4x2. Diesel जो है, it comes with a 4x2 and 4x4 option, and it has a 6-speed manual, not a 5-speed, and 6-speed automatic too. जो diesel है, it gets IMT manual gearbox. The IMT mode is there on the diesel manual as well. जो Fortuner का पुराना problem था of not being giving good ride, that is solved to a great extent. Brakes भी पहले से काफी better है. The brakes are still a bit spongy and they lack the feel, but they are much better and progressive now. Handling में the Fortuner has seen improvement too. The chassis has become a lot more rigid than before and this has improved the handling. In terms of safety, इसमें 7 airbags आते हैं and ABS as a standard feature. In terms of other safety features, it gets hill assist, चाहे वो incline के लिए हो या decline के लिए हो. नई generation Fortuner spacious है, feature loaded and at the same time a lot more premium भी है. Now, should you consider this? The answer is a big yes. इसकी interiors के अलावा इसकी ride and handling भी काफी improve हुई है. Now, if you're looking to buy the Fortuner, do not forget to click below to get a test drive from us. At the same time, we'll help you not just to test drive but even book the car. If you have any questions, कोई भी सवाल हो about the Fortuner, please leave them in the comments below and we'll try and answer them as quickly as we can. That's all we have on this episode. Do not forget to share, like, and even give us a big thumbs up for this.